Hi guys, welcome back to Automobile Infos. As you know, monsoons are just around the corner. We're going to experience heavy rains in almost all parts of India, and because we're driving an EV, there are some tips that you should remember. So, driving an EV in the monsoons is not as tricky as you might think. Modern EVs are designed to handle water. They are designed to handle intense rainfall and even waterlogged roads up to a certain amount. In this video, I am going to tell you tips on how you can protect your EV driving in the monsoon. So, without any delay, let's jump right in. The first tip is that you should not take your EV through waterlogged roads. Roads in India get waterlogged pretty easily, so a little bit of water does not harm your car. In the Mahindra manual, it actually specifically states that you should not take your car through roads that have water level more than half your wheel. So, if the water is still the half height of your wheel, then it's completely fine. Otherwise, you should not take your car through it. The second tip is that when you actually do take your car through waterlogged roads, do not drive fast and do not stop in the middle. Keep driving slowly to avoid any water splashes or waves so that water does not reach parts where it should not. And do not stop in the middle so that your battery is not submerged in the water for long. The third tip is actually about charging. Well, did you know that modern EVs are made to be charged in the rain? They're made to charge outdoors, so that means that they can handle all types of weather conditions. But if you want some extra added safety, you can actually get a rain cover. I'll link it down in the description. That rain cover will actually protect any water from getting between the charging gun and the charging socket. The fourth tip, and this is really important, you must ensure that there is no water on your charging gun or on your charging port when you put it for charging. So after you plug the car, it actually seals so no water can get inside. But if there is already water on either your charging gun or the charging socket, then that can cause a problem. So please use a microfiber towel to wipe off any dirt, any water from your charging gun and from your charging socket. The fifth tip is actually to maintain the wiper blades. I'll actually post a video on how you can replace the wiper blades of your EV because these ones are absolutely trash. I haven't bought the new ones, but they're Bosch wipers and they're pretty high quality. So maintain your wipers. I've actually already posted a video on how to deep clean your wipers that actually makes them work a little better. So if you do not want to invest in new wipers right now, you can do that, and I'll also link down new wipers if you want it. The next tip is actually to check the tires of your EV. In monsoons, there is a greater risk of slipping. There is a greater risk that your tires might lose traction. So ensure that your car is driving at the right pressure, which is 36 psi. My rear right tire is again gone. It is again at 32 or 33 psi. This is the first car that I have owned which loses pressure so early. This was parked for 15 days. I did not drive it, but still it's lost pressure in the rear right tire again. Now I'll again have to go to the petrol pump to get it filled. Alternatively, you can also use a tire inflator at home. I'll also link it down in the description if you want it. The next tip is actually you should avoid hard acceleration or hard braking in the monsoon. When the roads are wet, there is obviously less traction on the roads, and harsh braking or sudden acceleration can put your car at a greater risk of slipping. As you know, these EVs get intense torque, so the moment you floor the accelerator, the tires get moving pretty quickly. And even though these get some of the most advanced traction control and ESP systems, all modern cars actually have really good ESP and traction control systems. But again, why risk it? Also, when you're taking turns, please accelerate even more gradually because that makes your car lose traction even faster. The next tip is you can actually keep an emergency kit ready in your vehicle just in case you're stuck somewhere. So an umbrella, a tire inflator, something to break the glass with, anything which you might find necessary, you should keep that in the vehicle. I'll actually link the products that I always keep in my car so that you can give a look at them. The next tip is actually you can clean all the cameras before you start driving. You can actually put some water on the radars and on the sensors. because when you're driving in monsoon, dirt and mud can actually get stuck on them, and then the ADAS will not work as it should. Because the ADAS uses cameras, it uses sensors to actually see things. If you wash them, then they'll be clean and your car will be able to function a lot better. The next thing is when you drive through a waterlogged road, after that kindly brake a few times lightly. That actually gets water off your disc brakes, and that is actually recommended by many automakers. Other than that, you actually do not need to worry a lot about how to maintain your EV. These are designed for the future. These, you see, I'm having fun with it. These are designed to handle this type of stuff. These are designed for the future, so you don't need to worry about driving in the rains. I'll also add that enjoy your drives in the rain, because this type of weather is perfect for the EVs. You can actually get a lot more range than you were in the summers. So that's it for this video. Enjoy driving in the monsoons. Enjoy your EV. If you have any questions, then comment down below. I'll link all the products down in the description. Thank you so much for watching this video. If it helped, then please give it a like. Subscribe to Automobile Infos. I'll see you in the next one. Drive safe and have a happy journey.